Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to HHS online classes. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Yes, I'm Miss Humaira, your art teacher is here, and Miss Humaira, alhamdulillah, doing great. So today I will teach you how to make a newspaper bag. Yes, newspaper bag. So let's start working. Things which we need to make a newspaper bag are newspaper, any type of glue, safety scissors, colors. You can use any medium like colors, any medium of colors like poster paints, pencil color, all pastels. You can use anything. Yes, for decorate the newspaper bag. Yes, you can use buttons, different type of laces, dory, any kind of things you can use it. Colorful paper. If you want to use this paint, you must be have a brushes, markers. Okay, now let's start working. Now let's start to make newspaper bag. Yes, first we put the newspaper and fold it in this direction. Yes, now it's become a rectangular. Yes, it's a square. Now it's become a rectangle. Yes. Now we fold it one more time. Just fold it and mark it with any pencil. And now again open it. Now we will fold it again in this direction and join this corner to this marked point. Fold it. Again we will fold it from that side. Yes, that's it. Oh, now fold it very properly. Use any type of glue. Okay. Just hold it for a while and press it properly. Again we will fold it from the bottom of your and press it properly. Again we will fold it from the bottom of your envelope. Fold it and put the finger inside like this and make one triangle from this side and make one more triangle from that side. Yes. Do you know why we are make this triangle? Yes, you are right. To give some support so that can keep something inside. And now we need one hard paper to support this bag. We put it inside. We put it inside and fold it. One side, use some glue. Paste it to another side. Properly. You can use this bag for your birthday party also. You can make different style of this bag, decorate this bag and use in your birthday party for a goodie bag. Yes. Now the newspaper is ready. Yes. Look here. Now tell me how we will carry it. Yes. Yes, we can use some ribbon or some dory. First we have to make two holes, proper holes with pencil or any sharp. If you have your punch machine, you can use it, but if you don't have, you can use any sharp thing like pencil, pen. Put it inside the dory and tie it. Now student, let's start the decorating. First we will cut in a small square shape. Yes, look here. Now fold it into a triangle shape. Okay. Again we will fold it. Now one fold, second fold, and now the last third fold. We will fold it. Now it's become a very small triangle. Draw fold, and now the last third fold. We will fold it. Now it's become a very small triangle. Draw a semicircle on it and cut the semicircle properly with safety scissors. Now open it. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now we have very beautiful flowers. Now I want to move. Now let's start to make leaves. We want 3 to 5 leaves. Now again we want square shape paper. Make triangle. Again make one, but in leaf we will fold it only one time, right? And we will make one semicircle on it. Yes. And now cut it. Yes, flowers. Now flowers and leaves, right? Now we need 3 to 4. Now we will paste it. Now we will paste it with a different way. You can paste it on the bottom. You can paste upper side. Now our colorful computer paper decoration is ready. Now we will start the second decoration with buttons. Use different buttons I have colorful buttons. I make flower. You can make anything. Now the button decoration is ready. Now let's start to decorate with paints. Yes, you can use different colors. I use pink and orange, and I make simple straight lines. You can make simple different flowers, different shapes, paintings. It's up to you. Yes, I know you like painting. It takes some time to dry. So use very little amount of. Yes, ready. Look how beautiful and lovely they are. Now you can use this bag as a goodie bags for your birthday or gifts. Hope you enjoy our lesson today. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.